Welcome back to part 3. Don't know why my camera is cutting out on me. So yeah, they could go about this far upward, I would say. They can rotate side to side, but if you do that, they kind of pop off. So yeah, do be careful there. Come on. Let me get them kind of put in a little bit more. Feet can go up a bit, down a bit. They could go back and forward a bit. Nothing opens up. No little flippy flaps back there. They have some ankle tilt to them. Kind of, the basic standard stuff that you should know from a Gundam, or at least on the most basic Gundams and stuff. So let me get the hands off and put on there. Now it says for transformation, they show that they have the closed hands, but I'm pretty sure these holding hands will work too. So give me a second to get these off. And reattach. And we just lost a foot. Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot to mention, the foot pops off kind of easily. So yeah, that's something that you might also want to consider gluing every single thruster. The bottom thruster's in there, the shoulder thruster's up in there, the thruster's up in here, the thruster on the back, the feet you want to glue. So yeah. So first step in transformation of transforming this Gundam, take the head and rotate it around like this. So pretty much it's kind of what you did for the, I guess, somewhat of an Amazon exclusive from the Build Tri-Fighters Prologue, I think it was, or something like that. The Build Tri-Fighters movie. It's kind of like the Scramble Gundam. Yeah. Flip the little thruster shoulder bits upwards. Hopefully you can see what I'm talking about on the little thrusters there. Those are freaking pain and annoying as all heck. So that part's kind of done on the Gundam. Next you come to the feet and you what the heck did we do on the feet? I know we rotate the feet down, which should go down like that, but don't know why this one loves to pop off. So, come on. So make the feet kind of point the toes down, going all flat and stuff. And then we turn the legs where they're facing this way. Just like that. So kind of lay it down like that. Now we take the shield, flip down its little handle. Right there's a little tab that you guys slot the gun into. So take the gun, take the handle of the gun, pull it back till it kind of locks in place so that the bottom bit kind of is with the tab. Take it, put it